participants today, yung mga roommates mo especially?
The people are amazing.
Wow, amazing.
Like, marami lang nalaman about the, yung pakikipaglaban ba para sa
Sound is not good.
Thank you, Gigi.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga participants na nag-share ng kanilang mga expectations and what they can promise to offer sa summit na ito. So, our participants came from the different parts of the country and of course, marami tayong mga differences sa organizations and sa culture natin. So this time, partner, alamin natin ang mga pagkakaiba sa ating mga participants.
Tama. Importante na makita natin yung differences para mas ma-appreciate natin kung saan tayo mas nag-excel and saan tayo mas mag-perform.
So we'll be having an activity. So we request everyone to please stand up.
Okay. For all participants na taga Luzon, please remain standing.
Luzon. We're from Luzon.
Okay, so
Okay.
sila yung ating mga participants all the way from Luzon. So let's give a big round of applause for them.
Ngayon naman, all the participants from Visayas, stand.
Upo tayo.
Ay, marami-rami yung Visayas.
Okay, yung Visayas.
Ang dami sila.
And lastly, where are our participants from Mindanao?
Ay, mas marami. Though mas konti sila, I'm sure they're gonna be bringing the same amount of knowledge and insight to everyone.
So, next activity natin, earlier during the registration, we gave out your kits, which includes the paper, and look at the back portion, there is a human bingo. Who among you here familiar with human bingo? Okay. So this is a getting to know you activity. So in the human bingo, you need to find the people who fit the descriptions below and have them write their names in the appropriate box. Keep searching until you complete a vertical, diagonal, or horizontal line. So the twist is, before you get them to sign on your papers, you need to know their name, where they come from. Okay. So we encourage everyone again to please stand up and scatter around this hall.
Yep.
Scatter.
Dapat iba-iba.
Dapat scatter ha, baka pag nag-scatter kayo with your friends pa rin.
Dapat iba-iba baka galing na sa isang tao.
Scatter, go around.
This is a great way how you can get to know your fellow participants.
So the first 5 to complete a pattern will be the winners.
We are getting 5 winners. Dapat iba-iba yung ano ha.
Go around, scatter. So partner, this is a very interesting activity because they'll get to know each other.
Itong tatlong to ayaw maghiwalay. Ito.
Dapat scatter kayo.
Ayaw maghiwalay nito tatlong.
Ano ba yan?
Ayan na po. Nakabuo na po kayo ng sarili niyong koalisyon.
Scatter, first 5 to finish. Sila yung makakatanggap ng prize.
Next, thank you.
Bawal po tayong momento ng mga pirma dyan.
Dapat pag sinubmit nyo na yung human bingo nyo, kilala nyo kung sino yung nag-sign.
Can you sing?
Oh, sorry. JM. Ayan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ilan?
Again, dapat kilala nyo kung sino yung nag-sign sa Human Bingo.
Guys, yung printed sucks. By the way.
Grabe.
Nag-volunteer.
Grabe pa naman.
Ito po. Sila po is from Visayas.
Grabe.
And po from
Terma
Visayas.
lang guys, terma lang. Walang Facebook account or number.
Grabe galawan naman yan.
We're live po at Marinduque News Network. We are the participants po.
Ikaw, kuya.
Ako muna.
Ikaw.
Siyempre.
Saan dito,
Yan.
kuya?
Sige, bahala ka. Piliin mo na. Ayan. So, she's, ano po, she's, si Tin. Ayan, Justin. Yan po, from Visayas. Ayan. Hello, Marinduque News. Hello. Ayan.
Ikaw po, saan ka po dito?
Ako. Ako ba? Eto.
Yung may printed socks dyan, pag wala mo, pag nakita mo walang itas yan ha.
Thank you.
Anong joke, kuya?
Sikreto mo.
Wala mo na ngayon.
Ayan po.
Last 3 minutes.
Hindi, sayang ang price.
Sayang yung price guys, you should go around. So we have our winner.
Our first winner.
Our first winner. Siya si Joshua. So, ano yung pattern na nakuha mo? Okay. So kanina, we mentioned na dapat kilala mo kung sino yung nag-sign sa Human Bingo.
Hello, Marinduque peeps. We're here in Negros Occidental. Ayan. Ayan po. She's, ano po, Annalyn. Yeah, she's Annalyn.
So we have our first
From
winner, Joshua
Capiz.
from Bacolod City. 4 more.
Thank you. Can I sign?
One more.
Yeah.
Gato si Joshua, so
Oh,
friendly.
Dapat be like Joshua. You should go around and get to know more. Joshua, sir, 995.
Ayan po si Kay. Hello, Kay. Are you from? You're from? Luzon. Ayan, may kasama po ako from Luzon. Hello, Marinduque. She's Kay.
We have our second winner.
So,
Yeah, first
he asked me to sign here.
3 more.
Rupi Banao. So we have our 2 winners. 3 more winners.
Yan, thank you.
Ako,
here.
What's your name?
Leo.
Leo.
Nice to meet you, JM.
From parents. So we have
Ano?
our winner, Leo from Dumaguete. Last 2. Oh, we have our 4th and we have our last winner.
Hello, here.
Can we go back to your places?
To all those participants who did
Ay,
not.
hindi. Invalid pa yung
Invalid pa.
first winner. Meron isa pa.
Thank you, sir. Ayan. So happy.
Okay. Sa na winners, can we stand here? So we have our 5th winner, Happy from San Carlos. So for the rest, we'll give you 1 minute para tapusin if you want to finish your Human Bingo.
Tapusin
We
mo
have
na tayo.
here on our 5 winners.
Hello, Marinduque. Here's, Rosie from Bantay Kita.
Yes, good afternoon.
Tapusin nyo na yung bingo nyo. Sayang naman yung maguluhan yung friendship and knowledge from one another.
Ayan, here's Lawrence from Palawan.
This does not in any way undermine your capability to make friends. Wow.
gani, wala lipat ko. Hello, may I ask you to say hi to the Marinduque people?
Hi, Marinduque people!
Thank you.
Grabe ko, walang lumapit sa akin. Wala. Kay Awit,
Ano ba yung
ang tatlo.
nag-a-apply sa'yo?
Yun. Hindi ako napilitan.
Hello, say hi to the Marinduque
Ayun,
people.
lumapit na, pero wala akong nakuha. I'm a failure. Wala talaga. Wala talaga lumapit sa akin para sa mga
Ang parinig na ba yan? Bakit parang wala ka rin?
Yes, sir, say hi to the Marinduque people.
Sabi ko, walang lumalapit sa akin.
Wala ko labot, eh mo, ano? Cheers from Awit from Y4CH. Say hello to the Marinduque people.
Hello, from Marinduque. Hello to Marinduque people.
Ako na, ayun, may na ulit. Ayun na. Ay, puno na, actually, may winners na
Kasi 5 winners lang.
Hindi, hindi naman ako.
Ay, may nag... Ay, we only have 5 lang.
I did it. My life led to this moment. With final continual. Okay, let's all settle down. Settle down. Settle down.
Okay, so here in front are our winners for the Human Bingo. We have Joshua, Happy, John, Dube, and Angel. Let's give them a big round of applause. So can anyone share kung ano yung natutunan nyo during the activity? What have you learned and what have you learned from your co-participants? Who can share?
Ito si Joshua, gusto mag-share.
Ano po, napaka-diverse pala natin dito and ang dali-dali lang makaform ng isang pattern kasi magkakaiba tayong lahat.
Di naman sa nagmamayabang. Di naman.
Embrace diversity. Next, who can share kung ano yung na-learn nila?
Si Happy. Tuwang-tuwa talaga ito. Nalo siya.
In this activity, I am surprised how large our differences may be, but I know that in our differences, we can find unity to fight for our climate. Yeah, unity and diversity.
Yeah, good.
So again, let's give a big round of applause for our winners in the Human Bingo. Okay, so can we take some prize? So we'll be having another activity, but this time,